Have you ever bought something that didn't work?
Or have you ever needed to ask for a refund?
Today, you'll learn useful English for returning a product and asking for your money back politely.
Let's get started.
Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to ask for a refund, please.
I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be the problem?
I bought these wireless headphones 2 days ago, but they don't work properly.
Could you explain what's wrong with them?
The left side has no sound and the battery doesn't last very long.
I'm sorry about that. Do you have your receipt?
Yes, I do. Here it is.
Thank you. Let me check your purchase.
Sure.
I see you bought them 2 days ago. Did you try charging them fully?
Yes, I charged them overnight, but the problem is still there.
I understand. May I take a look at the headphones?
Of course.
Let me test them for a moment.
No problem.
You're right. The left speaker isn't working.
Yes, that's why I'd like a refund.
Would you like to exchange them for a new pair instead?
I thought about it, but I'd prefer a refund.
That's completely fine.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Our refund policy allows refunds within 7 days if the product is defective.
That's good to know.
How did you pay?
I paid by credit card.
The refund will be returned to the same card.
How long will it take?
Usually 3 to 5 business days.
That's fine.
Could you sign here, please?
Sure.
Thank you.
Will I receive an email confirmation?
Yes, we'll send it within a few minutes.
Great. Thank you very much.
I'm sorry you had trouble with the product.
It's okay. These things happen.
Have you ever shopped here before?
Yes, several times.
Have you ever returned anything before?
No, this is actually my first refund.
Well, I'm glad we could help.
Your customer service has been excellent.
Thank you. That means a lot to us.
I'll definitely shop here again.
We'd be happy to see you again. Have you ever returned something for a funny reason?
Actually, yes.
Really? What happened?
I bought a sweater that looked blue in the store.
And then?
When I got home, my family said it was purple.
Have you returned it?
No, my sister liked it, so I gave it to her instead.
That's a happy ending.
Yes, and now I'm much more careful when shopping.
Today we learned useful expressions like, I'd like to ask for a refund. Do you have your receipt? I'd prefer a refund. The product is defective. The refund will be returned to your card. Thank you for your help.
These are very useful expressions for everyday English.
Have you ever asked for a refund? What happened? Tell us your story in the comments below. Thanks for listening.
See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.
Bye.